Those who are not subscribed the channel, kindly subscribe the channel and select the ring bell for the update. And if you want to know about more strategy videos and indicators means, kindly watch it. If you want to open a demat or trading account, select the link in below description button and you will get the account opening page, and you will get some good levels and calls also. If you want to know about the advanced trading strategy class, WhatsApp or contact this number. Now we are going to see about short-term trading. In short-term trading, we are going to use some techniques with the moving average, and by changing the time, and we are going to see how does it work, and how the short-term works, everything like that. Many of them will wonder why short-term like that. In daily trading, you need to watch the market every time like that, but in short-term you can focus on what's the right thing like that. And at the end of the day, if you watch it means you can trade with it, but you need to use some technique to understand the market and how does it work. So for those techniques only we are going to see this in the video. Let me tell, we are going to see with the moving average, and the stock name is Sun Pharma. In Sun Pharma we are going to see how does this moving average is working, and how we are going to do the short term trade, everything like that. In futures also it will be applicable. In future also you can trade with it and earn more with futures also, but in future trading you need more margin. So if you have more margin means you can do the trade with future market. Okay, for this set the timing 1 day, and then it's a default candlestick only. Once again, and we are going to use moving average, and in moving average we are going to change the period. Everyone knows about the moving average. Moving average is nothing but an average of the candlesticks, and this background line you can see now, this is the line which line chart which draws along with the candlesticks, and it will move along. We are going to use it and see the entries and the exits. We are going to change the period to 20, and everything is default only, close, simple, 0 like that, and change the color to black one. Okay, select done. Again we are going to use the moving average. We are going to use two moving averages, and by combining it only we are going to see how does it will work like that. We are going to change the second one moving average to 60, and other things are default only. Color is in red, leave it. Select done. After you select done, you can see two moving averages along with the candlesticks. By using these two moving averages only, we are going to enter in the market, and we are going to see how many entries or exits we can make, how many entries is it possible to make like that. I will tell you how to enter in the market in during a variety of times like that. Okay, for this this red one is the 60 moving average, this black one is the 20 moving average. Okay, and this red one is above the candlestick. That means if it cross over above the black one means the market is in downtrend. Okay, at the same time if the black one is above the red one means market is in uptrend. Okay, okay, let's see how does it work. In this, as you can see, the red one has made a crossover. After it made a crossover, you would have made an entry at this point. After you entered, you can earn some profit at this day. So during this time you would have earned. After you have earned, the market again went up. So here you would have sold it, the Sun Pharma, after you sold it, at this point you can buy it in future market. If you do that in future market means you would have earned more profits like that, because in lots, in future market in lots it's trading, due to that you have earned more. Okay, this will be our first entry and exit of this, and for exit you can put the targets of 25 points, 30 points like that, By doing that only you can earn constantly. For that only I'm telling very short targets. According to the stocks, the target will vary. Okay. And then again market went up, but it didn't made the crossover of above the red line chart. Again it came down below the black line chart. That means the market is still in downtrend only. That means you can again make an entry and book a profit like that, because it will happen once in a time only. If that happen means you need to use this crunch also. If it will be like a crunchy level of trading, you can see due to the continuous downtrend, the market volume went up. After it went up, again it came down only. So that means the market is in downtrend only, but it did some correction, that's all. So you should not make a false move of it's a buying trend was formed, so we can buy it like that. So you need to observe the market very closely, because the market won't continuously move downtrend or like that, because market will move ups and downs only. If it moved more down means it will give some up direction, and then only it will come down. So you need to watch it clearly. You should not make a false move of buying at this point, because it's a crossover the black one, the moving average, so it's going to uptrend like that. You need to watch the market closely. It's just a correction, and after it made a correction, again we down. So you need to observe the market correctly. So don't make a panic move like that. And if you observe it correctly means the market again went down at this point. At this point you would have again sold it and earned the profit. So this is how the downtrend, and this is how the second entries and other entries will work out. If you get off another chance like this means, and again it came below means, still is in downtrend only. Otherwise if it cross over the red one means the sun farmer is going to move above, so it will be changed to the uptrend. So at this point you can buy the sun farmer. Let's check with the buy trend also. In buy trend, as you can see here, the crossover has happened. Black line crossed over the red one. After it made a crossover, you would have buy at this point. You need to buy. After you have bought it, you should have short only the profit. As you can see here, you would have bought it at this point. It will be like 565 65 like that. After that the market went up 590, so almost 25-30 points you would have earned. If you have cutted at this point means you would have got another entry at this point, because as I said before, if candles came to this crunchy level, after again market went up means, that means the market is still in uptrend only, so you can earn more by making another entry. So like this you need to entry again and again, and if you make the entry again and again means you can earn more, and you can do more short term trades. And for that only I'm telling you to watch the market very closely. You need to watch the market more. It will not happen in overtime, because you cannot blindly enter and exit. You should need to enter and exit market at perfect one only, and kindly use some techniques to do the trades. Don't do the trades with some blind thoughts of just bought and then wait for the target to rip. Because if you do that like that means your money only will get locked, and it will move to long term or process like that. So you need to be an trader at this part of time during short term, because unless if you have become a trader you cannot able to reap the profit. So become a trader and book the profit. Okay. And then let's see with the previous one also. Here again the sun pharma downtrend has been formed. So at this candle you would have sold at this point. After you sold it you would have earned the profit, and then again we went to this level of crunchy. After it went to this level, again the candles came down. That means the market is still in downtrend, as I said before. So you need to sell at this point. After you would have sold it, again you can earn the profit. At the same time, if it crossed over above these red levels means you can buy. Like here you can see it cross over and the candles are in uptrend only, so you have buy at this point. And this will be like acting like a sideways market. During this time Sun Pharma is added only in a sideways only. It has not formed a correct trend or anything like that. During this time if you have entered in short term or anything like that means most will give a fall signal only. So you need to make the entry at a perfect one. Use techniques to enter. Without techniques the short term will not work. It will not be easy one. Let's check with some other stocks also. This is Hindustan Unilever stock. In this stock, as you can see, buy trend has been formed. After the buy trend has been formed, the market went up, so here you can earn more. Let's see with the previous one. Here the downtrend has been formed, so in the next candle you have sold at this point next day. After the next candle you have sold, you can earn the profit at this time. Again you have got an entry at this time, so you have made a second entry of selling this Hindustan Unilever at this point, and again you have earned. So this is how you need to watch the market calmly and do the trade. Let's check with the buying trend again. Here the crossover has happened. After the crossover has happened, so you have made an entry at this point. The market went up continuously without touching the black line at this point. So if you have waited very calmly and observed this Hindustan Unilever means you have earned more than 100 points profits like that. So like as I said before, it came below here it came below. Again another entry is given at this point. After it's giving another entry at this point, again the market went up again over 50 points like that. In short terms, if you just watch it blindly means you cannot able to make the profit. You will watch it until the end. So you need to be sometimes make the entry of a correct one and make the profit. Like this, if it came below, this candle is closed below, again candle came up, that means it's showing the market is in still in Hindustan Unilever is in profit trend, still it is in positive trend only. So again you can make a perfect entry and reap the profits like that. Let's check with some other like Kotak Bank. In Kotak Bank, here the uptrend has been formed. After the uptrend has been formed, you would have made a entry at next candles like that, and you would have earned it. And again, as I see, the downtrend has been formed in Kotak here. So next candle you would have sold it. After you sold it, you can earn some profits like 30 points like that. Again, it came up this crunchy level. Again it give an entry, so you can sold here again it came down. So like this you need to make a entry and reap the profit. You need to watch it day by day. By watching it day by day, at the end of the day you can get some clear view. So this one day chart will give you a clear view of that. And in my next video I'm going to tell you how to use this moving average and how to trade in intraday also. Watch that video also. And we are also taking a more advanced trading strategy class. If you want to know about it, WhatsApp or contact this number. And if you want to open a demat or trading account, kindly select the link in below description button. You follow the procedure and they will guide you. In future if you need more videos like this means kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you.